All right, guys. I'm going to talk about the number one penny stock to buy right now. I have been accumulating my position. I haven't talked about this one in a bit. I want to give an update on it. I am extremely bullish. I've been doing some more research on it. It's sitting at 25 cents right now, less than a dollar penny stock, higher risk, but this could make massive returns in the short term, and we are so due to move. I am making a prediction this is going to move. It's February 23rd. It's going to move next week. I can see it going 50 to 100% from it from this area. All right, so let's talk about this penny stock, LGMK, Logic Mark Inc. It is on my high radar, and it's going to be on a lot of people's radars coming very soon once this thing starts moving. Here is why I like this. I'm just going to talk about first the chart, then I'm going to go into the float, their cash position, everything that you need to know. And they just did a reverse split way back here in November. They don't need to do a reverse split for some time. Of course, they're going to do it again because the price is down from a dollar. So yes, they're going to do that. They just did an offering. That's what this gap is right here. That's what caused it to go down. So every bad news that this thing can throw out is out of its way, and I'm accumulating all these dips, guys. This thing is going to make me a lot of money. I've seen this pattern a lot. Let's get right to it. So first things first is this lower band is my Keltner channel. You don't just randomly buy it when it's here. I look at certain criteria. But basically what happens is when price does get near this lower Keltner channel, it just means it's extremely oversold and it meets one of my criteria. My best criteria is how long has price not touched this EMA 5. You can see right in here, if you don't see a body of a candle or a wick touching the 5, it does not count. This right here is the last time a candle touched the EMA 5, which is this purple band, which is February 4th. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 daily candles not touching the EMA 5. That is long. Of course, we do have this gap right down in here. That price could come back and fill, but that is also what's going to take longer to touch the EMA 5. So there, it was kind of common to see, price taking a longer time. But also keep in mind though, guys, we had this EMA 10. I was doing some analysis and I was looking at the EMA 10. Well, look at the last time we touched the EMA 10. To a T, price went here from the lows here, went all the way to touch this 10. That was way back in January 16th. We are over a month not touching this EMA 10. So we have all these price targets to hit. Are we due for the 20? Well, the price touch was 106 for the 20, so not really the 20 yet, but in March we are due to hit this 20. Price can easily come back and touch all these levels though. Right from here to the EMA 5, you're looking at a 38% pump. To my lower Keltner channel, you're looking at a 50% pump. When you see the EMA 5 under my Keltner channel, it is severely oversold. And then look at this, the EMA 10 is 106% pump. So that's just the technicals. This is literally what is going to happen. I love reversing the mean. Every price is going to touch the reverse of the mean. That's a guarantee. Is some stocks more stubborn? Absolutely. And look at this kicker right here. This is how I know I'm so confident this is going to pump literally super soon. The K value of this stochastic oscillator is sitting at 2. We had 2.12 right here. Anything under 5 is really oversold. Any under 3 is really, and then if you get in the 1 to 2 range, that is, you don't see that often. All right, most of the time when I see this kind of K value, I see those 30 to 50% moves short term. So this is the area I'm looking to load. I've been loading these dips, guys. I've been loading them. I have no problem buying these things. Nothing is perfect in penny stocks. That's why I say accumulate. If it goes down some, no big deal. I know where my targets are. I know that EMA 5 is going to get hit really soon. That has a massive gain. I know that 10 is going to get hit soon. I have massive room up. And when this picks up attention, I no doubt when this picks up on the screeners and this gets a lot of attention from a lot of people, a lot of YouTubers, a lot of people on StockTwits X accounts, this will pump. I'm telling you. And now, let's look at the float, guys. Logic Mark, according to dilutiontractor.com, I find it the most accurate out of all of them. They have one of the tiniest floats out there. 26.97 million float. 26.97 million. This can literally shoot up in a blink of a second. Their market cap is 7.1 million. Well, what is their cash? Well, their cash, they have 47.5 months of cash left on a quarterly cash burn of 1 million. And their estimated current cash of 17.2 million. They had the cash. They did the offering. They just did the reverse split in last year in November. All the bad news is out. This is one of those things where do you get scared out of the play and miss out? I think not. This is right here. They did the offering. They anticipated size 10,000. It's priced in. Final deal size 4,500,000 or 10 million. My bad. 4,500,000 is the thousand. It's the final deal. The final price was the 47 cents exercise. They have warrants that are due at 88 cents, 59 cents, and then the August one was 1.91, so they got all that. But the biggest thing that you need to look for in penny stocks is honestly the chart. Where is the chart going? Do they have the cash? Did they get, they recently did an offering, so a lot of the recent offerings do massive pumps. They did the reverse split. They have done all the big things where I look for, and we're at my lower Keltner channel with EMA 5, EMA 10 time distance, low K value. I'm putting some bigger size in this. I just don't see this thing not panning out. I think this is a due for a massive move. And has this thing made massive moves before? Absolutely. This thing has went from $1.90 all the way to $7 in a very short amount of time. This thing has known to hit my upper Keltner channel. It has known to do that. Also, it has known to hit my lower Keltner, and it has branched out of there. It has hit the EMA 20 in a blink of an eye. Just from this low here all the way up in here was a 113% move. Here's another big massive spike. So this thing can do it. Another big spike at the upper Keltner channel. When this gets attention with that kind of a low float, lots of cash, it's going to be on everyone's radar. This is the number one stock, less than $1 at the 25-cent region that I'm just going to add size to. All right. I usually don't put, decent size in pennies, but when I see this kind of formation, I've seen it a lot. This is screaming for a pump. I do not want anyone to miss out on this. If you've been struggling in the penny stock market world, this is this is my best setup I see. You don't see it a lot, but when you do see it, tugging this ATR4, EMA 5 TD, lots of cash, low K, EMA 10. I'm going in for it, guys. I'm going in. If you guys want to see more about what I do, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description will say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. You guys are going to love this. I teach you guys. This is just a brief scenario on how do I go through the stocks of a lot of this stuff I do for downtrends. I do uptrends too. I also have a nice day trading strategy. You're gonna want to come in. You're gonna see active alerts like right in here. You have my swing trade alerts. BBAI. I bought it when nobody wanted it. I made massive money, locked in over 10%. Lays. I got that at $3. I locked in way over 10%. I got 20 to 30% for my areas. And it's all posted in here while before anyone gets in, and then I make the videos. But Discord members always get it first. I play higher cap stocks like TTD. I'm in PayPal doing this exact same system. But you guys are gonna love this. This is a really nice thing. All you have to do is click on how to subscribe, hit day trade alerts right in here, and it'll click you right in here. If you hit day trade alerts, you get access to my whole membership. You will be colored gold. It'll say day and swing trading plus. Do not miss out on this, guys. It took me a very long time. I am always updating it. If you are a member, you're going to always get current updates to this system. Past, future, whatever you want. You're going to get updates to my day trading system. Day trading is my most profitable. And then the swing trading, I love swing trading. This is how I look to do it. I have lots of things, videos to watch for you, swing trading education, how to set up your indicators, how to follow the trend. But I want to make this video short. Once you come in here, it's very easy to see. Just get a feel for it. But hit day trade alerts, subscribe on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. And for this promotional video, I'm giving you guys a discount of a lifetime. As long as you say subscribed into the channel, you'll get $12 a month subscription for all my services, day and swing trading, and it'll never go up in price. If you do cancel, it is going to go up in price in the beginning, mid-March, sometime in that next month. So I'm looking at $30 a month, but I think $12 is super fair to say, hey, I'm not a profitable trader. I want to see what this is. I want to see how you do it. There's no FOMO. I think teaching how to trade is much more important than just signals, and that's the main purpose of this Discord. Do not just blindly follow me if you don't understand why you're taking these trades. Watch the accumulation videos. I accumulate these plays. I don't just randomly go all in because I know catching the bottom is impossible. when playing against the trend. But I do know that my price is going to be, my average is going to be aligned with the 5 and at least below the 10 for sure. And that's really what this thing's going to make a massive move. I'm telling you, a lot of people are going to talk about it, and a lot of people are going to miss out on it. I'm in first. You see the chart. It looks beat down. It's depressing. Nobody wants it, but I want it. And we'll see what it does next week. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give a like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you in the Discord. $12 a month. If you do subscribe, do it on your computer. If you're not from the US, it'll charge you a currency exchange rate. It'll probably be $15 or $16, but still a good deal. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.